Hi, Assalamualaikum. Thank you for joining me today. I will be sharing today on actually removal of directors in the shareholders agreement. So, what my concern or what my sharing will be today is protection of minority shareholders appointed directors. So, each shareholder is entitled to appoint a director in a Sunan Berhad. Um, However, you need to remember under the Companies Act, directors can be removed by majority shareholders. So if you are a majority shareholder, this is this doesn't concern you. This problem doesn't concern you. But if you are a minority shareholder, there is always the possibility of a majority shareholder removing the director you appointed in the company. That can happen, and that has happened for a variety of reasons. So I'm here today to share to you what you can do if you are a minority shareholder, what you can do to protect yourself. Okay, so I'll be sharing this. This is one of the sample clauses in a shareholders agreement. Removal of directors. So, in the case of directors nominated by a particular shareholder, the said director shall only be removed or substituted by the shareholder nominating him. So, this clause, if you put it in your shareholders agreement, will ensure that if you, a minority shareholder, appoints a director, only you can remove that director or substitute the director. So, the majority shareholder cannot remove the director you appointed. However, I would also advise further to put some safeguards to ensure that if you are stuck with an incompetent director or a director, that there are also ways for you to remove it. So here are some of the conditions. These conditions does not apply holistically. So remember, it should be custom to your particular situation. But these are some of the common reasons, even to include in the removal director. So uh, let's say a direct. Here are the conditions. One is if a director becomes unsound of mind, director becomes bankrupt, a director dies, a director is unable to carry out the duties of a director for a period of more than 60 days. So this clause actually gives some flexibility for the majority shareholder or for the company to remove a director if the director is unable to commit as a director. So, someone who just holds the position probably gets um, some payment but doesn't do any work, doesn't come for meetings, doesn't make any decisions. So this allows the company to remove the director. So 60 days, 90 days, 30 days, it depends on your particular company. So 12.5, director is otherwise prevented from being a director due to any statutory disqualifications. Director is charged with any criminal offences involving anti-corruption, money laundering, criminal breach of trust, and any such financial crimes. So there's a few ways to word this clause. You can put it as director if a director is investigated. So which means as soon as he's investigated, he can be removed. If you want to put the threshold a bit higher, you can put charge. Even higher is when a director is convicted. So there's a few levels. Please consult your lawyer to find the best way to word this clause. So the other one is if the shareholder nominating director is no longer a shareholder. So if the minority shareholder appoints a director and the minority shareholder sells his shares, so director automatically has to leave, vacate office as well. So, and the last one is director is in breach of any director's duties under the Act. Okay, so these are some of the common ones, or at least one of the clients I've advised. But this situation can be custom to your particular company, particular situation, particular type of business. So ensure you be sure to consult your lawyer to find the best word to include in your clause. But I stress once again, a director can be removed by majority shareholders. So if you are a minority shareholder, you must have a shareholders agreement, and you must have this clause to protect yourself, to ensure that the director you nominate is not removed by the majority shareholder. Okay, so first of all, okay, I think that's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or leave a comment, and I will try to attend as best as I can. So that's all for today. Assalamualaikum. Thank you.